Hello, guys. Good evening. Welcome to this daily momentum market update. Small video, not much to talk about because what we have discussed yesterday, that there is a momentum in market, there is a short-term momentum, and we should be on the positive side of the market. I think market is still the same. It's behaving pretty much the same. Those who have not seen my video yesterday, I would like to record a more descriptive video for you. Those who have seen the video, I guess you know the condition of the market, so you may skip. But for people who have just joined me, this is Vivek Bajaj. I'm almost 20 years of market experience, and I'm founder of Stockage, which is one of the top data analytics platform in India. All right, let me just do the screen sharing and share with you what's happening in the market right now. So here it is. This is market, and yesterday also I talked about it, and today also it's pretty clear that because dollar index is trading below, Nifty is strong, and Nifty obviously is trading above all the major moving averages, so it is strong. So no point in guessing that yes, market in the short term is in a strong territory. This is our four indices matrix. Nifty is showing strength, although towards the in the morning time, you see there was some bit of resistance which was getting observed here. So if you see, there was a resistance here. If you see here, there was a small resistance here. If you see here, there was a small resistance. So market is actually at a resistance zone. And if market is successful in crossing this zone, which apparently looks like that market will be successful, then there is no question of market making a decently new high. I'm not sure whether market will make new highs, but at least the strength of the market is suggesting that market may make decently new high. This is the intraday chart of Nifty. So it went up today, corrected a bit, and then towards the end, it again closed higher than the low of the day. This is again Nifty 500 went up, went down, corrected, and then again closed towards the end. So because the closing of the market is also positive, and it's an important indicator, I feel that the market is still there intact and positive zone. This is the advanced decline, which is very important. Look at the Nifty 500. The advanced decline ratio is very handsome. So again, a sign of positivity in the market. So all in all, good market, positive market. If I look at the indices and the way they have behaved, more or less all the indices have given us a positive feeling. I'm very much, impressed with the way mid-cap select, which is the mid-cap index, and if you look at the other small cap index also. So looks like the broader participation in market in terms of smaller market cap stocks also leading the market rally. That's very important. Otherwise, most of the time we see Nifty going up and there is index management happening in Nifty. But I'm very happy that other indices are also following the trend of Nifty. Again, coming back to momentum, should we buy stocks in momentum? Yes. How do we buy stocks in momentum? Well, as has been discussed earlier, also that the best way to find momentum in stocks is to use scans, right? And scans help you to find out stocks where the momentum could be there and possibly the momentum can continue. Look at this. There are certain combination scans which I follow. So one of the combination scans which I talked about yesterday was momentum champs. Let me talk about another momentum uh, scan which I have, combination scan which I have is the power of RS stocks, which is derived out of the RS indicators which I have developed inside Stockade. So what are the once we have this is stock outperforming the benchmark index 113 month, stock outperforming sector index 113 month, stock outperforming benchmark index in 55 period. That is basically if the RS is greater than 0.1, then both SRS and RS is above zero, strong outperforming benchmark index on the 21 day, on 21 week, and momentum score is bullish. So these are the stocks which are like Rockstar. These are the ones where momentum is there. And possibly because these stocks have momentum, possibly these stocks may continue to show momentum if market supports the momentum. And clearly looks like some of these stocks, unfortunately, I cannot talk about stocks in YouTube because we are a SEBI regulated organization. So I don't want to give you stock ideas. But just to share with you the knowledge and the understanding, look at these stocks. Definitely, these stocks are ones with very strong momentum, and possibly if market continues to remain in this mood, these stocks will also continue to see momentum inside them. Okay. If you don't want to do stock specific, if you want to do peaceful investing, I've already discussed this with you yesterday. Uh, Small case. We have launched momentum small cases, and our momentum small cases are doing reasonably good, better than market. Some of them have not yet outperformed, but we are doing reasonably good, better than market. So you look at the Nifty 200, good return, Nifty 50 is good return, Nifty 50 next good return. So overall, if you are a passive market participant and if you want a momentum led portfolio as part of your portfolio, then I guess you need to visit web.stockist.com and see the investment cases and invest based on your risk appetite and the amount of capital you have to invest. All right. So have a good day. Good night. And we'll see you tomorrow again. Hopefully, I will give you an update which will be value added. Thank you. Bye. Good night.